This is an 8-inch floppy drive. This precedes 5 1/4 and 3 1/2. The technology started with this. Wow. This moves the screw, you know, it moves the reading head this way or this way. Giant motor. This spins it. Yep. And then this is some kind of a sensor. And you would put the thing in there. Then this is an LED. It would blink when you were reading it. It would make a lot of noise, which is a cool factor, I think, these days. It's not a silent storage like we have now. It would line it here, and then where is the reading head? I am not sure. I think that's the reading head right there. And this was a 250K single-sided floppy drive. Think about that for a second. Wow, look at this motor. Wow, wow. This is pretty sure this is a piece of history at a museum. This looks really clean. I mean, it's 1979, so it's not going to be new, but it looks really clean. And for the most part, I just want to show it off as a... What am I going to do with it? Nothing. I'll probably go sell it to someone who can use it. Cheers.